If your Acer monitor isn't giving you sound, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get audio working on your Acer monitor, whether you're using external speakers, a headset, or connecting from a PC or console. By the end of this video, your sound will be working. No guesswork, no confusion. Let's get started. First, you need to check whether your Acer monitor actually supports audio output. Not every monitor does, and this is the step most people skip. Turn the monitor around and look at the back panel. If you see a port labeled audio or audio out, usually a small 3.5mm headphone style jack, then your monitor can send sound out to speakers or headphones. If that port is there, great, you're ready for the next step. Now, if your monitor has that audio jack, here's the simplest method. Just take any speaker or headset with a standard 3.5mm plug. This could be a pair of JBL speakers, generic desktop speakers, or even wired headphones, and plug it directly into the monitor's audio port. As long as your monitor is receiving audio through HDMI, the sound will now play through your connected speaker or through the monitor's built-in speakers if it has them. This works instantly, no extra setup. But what if your Acer monitor doesn't have an audio jack? In that case, you simply need to bypass the monitor and get the sound directly from your device. If you're on a PC, look for the green audio port on the back of your computer. That's a line out port. Plug your speakers or headset into that port and your PC will output the audio directly to them. You don't need to rely on the monitor at all. If you're using a gaming console, check for the audio jack on the console itself or even on the controller. Many controllers, like Xbox or PlayStation, have a built-in 3.5mm port that lets you plug in any wired headset or speaker adapter. Once connected, the console reroutes the audio automatically. And finally, once everything is plugged in, play a game, open a video, or run any audio source just to confirm the sound is coming through correctly. If you hear it, congratulations, you're all set. Thanks for watching. If this quick guide helped you fix your sound issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.